In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF in Smallpdf. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account homepage, you want to go to the left and you want to hover over Organize and you want to click on Merge. Now, this will allow you to actually select the files you wish to merge. As you can see here, these are the file types allowed. So PDF, Image, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can click on here, select your files. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by clicking on the file, the first one, holding down your Control key on your keyboard, and then clicking on all the other ones you actually want to add. Click on open. They're going to get added like this. And of course, in here, you could go ahead and customize the order. So let's say I want this one to be first. I'm going to put it over here, stuff like that. You could also add in different documents by clicking the plus button here, which could add a document or a blank page if you want it to be there. I'm going to remove this. And of course, you have a bunch of different options like rotate up here if you want to. You could duplicate it, remove it. You could go ahead and preview it, etc. And then up top here, as you can see, you have like a bunch of options as well where you could sort it, you could rotate everything, you could go and do basically whatever you want. And whenever you're ready, you could go and click on the finish button top right. It's going to start creating your document, and whenever that document is done, there we go, you'll be able to preview it here on the left. It's basically like a merged PDF document. You can then download it to your computer and use it however you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.